Hey guys, in this video we will learn admin ACL. So first of all, we need to be know what is admin ACL. So basically, for admin area, we can define some access rule from a specific users, right? So we require for that. Suppose just wait, admin the open. So here is some require some third parties access roles or some user roles, right? So we need to be required for this the ACLs. So from here, suppose we can create the roles. Here is right roles, and we can be added some kind of here. We need like customer care, so we need to be some limited area for given the roles, right? So here is we need to be define like access things. We can define some sales area, we can some define only catalog things, right? So we define some new module, so we can define some area here, right? So here is only require which we already create the initial model. So if you don't know about like how to create a model, so you can learn my previous video. So here is like already I defined the main directory is learn. My module name is hello, right? So inside like etc folder, right? Here is etc. We defined acl.xml, right? So ACL resource collection is admin. So we can define the backend admin. And here is the resource. We can define the model name, the main directory, and the model name. And then you can define whatever you want, given the access things. So here is I can define the employee and title name is learn menu, right? So here is we can see here is have or not. So go to and learn. Here is my menu is there, right? Learn menu, and let's see here is we can change some few things. Menu tasking, right? We just refresh from this and see. Oh no, it's not still change, not change because have some cache issue, right? So we can define here is refresh the cache and refresh again. Let's see. So here is my menu. So for this reason, because we have lots of create APIs, all kind of the access roles. So for that particular reason, we can create the ACL, because customer care and so many type of the hierarchy in organization. We cannot define every user the same access. So that's the reason we have defined this ACL things, and for this ACL purpose, we can define the roles. Some of customer care we need to be define the role, and maybe some of department don't require this menu. So that's the reason we can identify for this, right? So this is the main thing for ACL, right? And in this video, only this thing. Next video we will learn how to call the ACL in admin menu, right? So thank you for watching.